almost getting too big for you to nurse.
Yeah, that one likes to roll. Come here. Come here, little guy.
It's a big old litter pan.
Yep. Yep, but they're peeing in it.
Come on, kitty, 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 kitty.
That orange one is just not too bright. That's all. They ain't figured out how to get out of that by that pan yet.
She keeps laying down like, y'all gonna get some of this or what?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, it can't.
Poor thing.
It's not that bright.
You poor thing. There's your mama. What? I don't know. They want to play.
I don't know. That one's a little, look. A little, oh, her paw was stuck in the rug.
Not your chair, because they're both
Yeah,
underneath of you.
That one gets around pretty good, too, the calico.
Yeah, he's a runt.
Yeah.
And he's still getting around like
Where's
that.
the orange one? Under the chair?
The yellow one. Not too bright one.